Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love. So today, this is the ultraviolet unit. I did this a few months back ago for a client named Claudia, aka FunKnCrystals. She needed this unit for a photo shoot. She ended up doing her photo shoot but was not feeling the colors on herself and wanted to calm the wig down a lot. So today, we're going to be switching this wig up and giving her something brand new. Stay tuned to see how we give her a whole new vibe. Guys, remember this one, right? I'm going to be doing a tint back and coloring it back to brown. Well, it was never brown, but hopefully we're going to turn it brown. We'll see what happens. So today is going to be my first time ever using the watercolor method with permanent color. So I'm adding the developer into the color, and I'm gonna use hot water to dip the hair in. One thing about doing a tint back or darkening a light color, you have to fill the hair first. So you have to color it twice basically. So the first color is gonna be a watercolor dip, and then I'm gonna go in and hand paint it. Alright, so after the first water dip, this is what it looks like. It looks great. So always remember, when you go into a darker color, you have to color it twice so that when you wash the hair, it doesn't fade to a nasty muddy color. This is going to prevent that. So we're going to color it again. I'm going to hand paint it. Alright, so far this is how it turned out. This is after watercoloring it with like a ashy blonde color. So now I'm going to be going in with a couple other colors, and I'm going to just go in with layers, and we'll see how this goes. Sometimes it can get a little scary with permanent colors because as they're processing, they're not the colors that they're actually going to be when you wash them out. So when you see this, you'll be like, oh my gosh, like, is it going to be this color? But trust me, it won't. And here she is, all washed out and ready to be dried and styled. Loving the colors and the definition and the dimension. Beautiful. And you can't tell this was a gray wig that had purple and blue stripes on it. Alright y'all, so as we do our install, I want y'all to stay tuned because she's going to try on a couple of her crystal eyewear glasses to see which one looks best with the wig. And y'all can also get a peek on her collection. So yeah, check it out. Stay tuned. I love every pair.
I just did these. Let me see. Because I was thinking about something really low profile, very small.
Yes, I think those. Yeah, with the red.
See, and I can't really see myself because it's red.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, the red. Let me see. What else? Oh.
Yeah, she got a collection, y'all.
Yeah.
So you gotta check her out, FunKnCrystals on Instagram. Check her out.
Oh, look at
And
that.
her crystals are authentic. Yes. Yes.
I like the shape of this with this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the shape.
I like that shape too.
I like the shape with it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's those or the black and red?
The black and red, yeah. Oh, let me try one more. Let me try uber big. Let me try something really big. Since I got on black.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, those are cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cause that's what I want. I want to be able to put glasses on.
Yeah.
And let's go super big. Let's go super big.
Yes.
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 There we go, y'all. Wait a minute. Y'all ain't gonna be ready. Y'all not gonna be ready. This is great. I love it. Okay. This is what I wanted to try on. Anything cat eye. Ooh. That's black.
Yes.
Anything black is gonna be
Right. Always. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. We in here by ourselves.
Yes.
Ain't nobody in here to bother us. And we in here just doing our thing. I love it. I really love it. And the photo shoot that I'm gonna do with this, it's gonna be the glam with the fur coat.
Okay.
I got a short mink jacket. That's like almost this color, that brownish mink.
Ooh, yes.
The short mink.
Yes.
I could do that with this.
Nah, I still can't even believe this is the same wig. I did my thing on this one.
My Unit by Leilani Love. Okay? Isn't it beautiful? Did she do it? Stay framed and shady.
Be sure to check us out on Instagram so y'all can see the photo shoot pictures. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. You can always make an appointment on Style Seat with me if you want to get your own wigs colored or any hair coloring services. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace and love.